Hello everyone and welcome back to Venice. I am Danilo Romolini and today I am here to present to you what is truly an extremely rare opportunity to purchase one of the most famous and prominent palazzos of all of Venice, Palazzo Dario. An architectural gem on the most prestigious part of the Grand Canal, stretching from the Accademia Bridge to the Salute Church and the Bacino di San Marco. What a property! Are you ready to see it? Come with me. At the end of the 15th century, the palace was remodeled by Pietro Lombardo for the patrician Giovanni Dario, secretary to the Venetian Senate, diplomat and merchant, who managed to negotiate a very convenient peace agreement with the Ottomans. For these tasks, the Serenissima had given Dario a large sum of money as a reward, and he commissioned a house to be built on a pre-existing Gothic palace. The magnificent facade, decorated with circular marble inlays, is made with pietra d'Istria and reflects the Oriental influence acquired by Dario during his travels in the Middle East and Egypt, then translated in the Veneto taste with the help of the architect. The palace splits on 4 levels, with the ground level 2 noble floors and the third as bedrooms. On the roof we find very special altana overlooking Venice with a 360-degree view, and on the backyard a beautiful private and cozy garden. The ground floor can be accessed both by the street and through a beautiful and very special water access on the Grand Canal. You can pull up with the boat, dock it on the approved dock on the front of the palazzo, and enter your home. On the ground floor we have this beautiful reception space with this manorial entrance that from the entrance from the water keeps going with these marble columns. On the floor we find as well marble with checkered white and red colors. On my left, finally, this beautiful decorated marble working fireplace. Finally, the ground level connects to the beautiful outdoor space. This is a true gem for the property because it is fully private with an independent water access on this side and as well a beautiful antique fountain installed by Dario. The first piano nobile floor is beautiful. Double height ceilings, we have Bevilacqua fabrics on the walls. On the ceiling we find several of these huge, stunning Murano glass chandeliers. On this side the whole facade is embellished by these LED and color glass windows granting lots of natural light. On the floor, a traditional beautiful Venetian floor to embellish even further this huge space. On the third level, we find a second piano nobile with this beautiful height of ceiling, but at the same time we can understand how this part was actually the lived part. The spaces are much cozier and the layout is very practical. As we walk in, we have this living area which connects on the left to a second, larger living or dining space with access onto the beautiful balcony on the front. Let me show you. From this room, in the end, we access to this huge, beautiful balcony overlooking the best part of the Canal Grande. On this side, we have a beautiful view on the Accademia Bridge, and on the other, we see the bell tower of Piazza San Marco, literally steps away. On the back of this floor, we find this beautiful reception room. In the past, it was an office used mostly for private meetings. All over the walls, we find this beautiful boiserie made out of wood from the 1700s. From the same period, on that side, we find one of the two stoves in the Palazzo made with this beautiful jade color, as well from the 1700s. One aspect to mention that is really important is that the Palazzo has a lift. And through the boiserie, you can kind of notice how there is a hidden door that connects and lets you access the lift on this floor. We are now on the last level, where in the past there used to be the maid's quarter. Nowadays, the layout is very practical for bedrooms. I am here to show you this bathroom that is apparently one of the most precious bathrooms ever, because it is embellished with really rare and precious marbles all over, especially on the floor. All of these marbles were acquired by Dario during his trips in Egypt, and the squared dark red details on the floor are from a really rare and very precious red marble from Egypt that is no longer findable. On the back of the Palazzo, on the last level, we find one of the coolest spaces, which is this huge bathroom, which connects in a very unique way onto the loggia of the Palazzo, overlooking Venice on this side. Have a look. And here we are on the Altana of the Palazzo. This is a very traditional feature, but still hard to find from properties in Venice. We are on the highest point and we have a view of 360 degrees on the city. We are at the end of today's property tour. It is truly a one-of-a-kind opportunity to purchase this palazzo because we are on a prime location, one of the most prestigious areas of the Canal Grande, and at the same time it is a whole palazzo, which is difficult to find, of a size like this, also suitable as a private home. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think, and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!